In today's video, I'm going to teach you Logseq basics, journals, bullets, links, tags, tasks, and slash commands. First, open Logseq and load your graph, which is simply your notebook or the collection of pages where all your notes live. If you're starting fresh, Logseq will guide you to create a graph. Otherwise, pick the one you've been using so everything connects seamlessly. Once the app is open, head to the Journals section on the left sidebar. This is your daily notes page and the perfect place to capture quick thoughts, plans, and ideas without worrying about where they should go. Think of it as your organized scratch pad where everything starts. Now let's write. In Logseq, notes are bullet-based. Type a dash, then a space, and write your note. Press Enter to create a new bullet beneath it. Keeping each thought to its own bullet makes your notes clearer and easier to scan later. If you have related details, you don't need a new page. Just nest them. To add sub-ideas under a main point, press Tab to indent and create a subnote. If you went too far, press Shift plus Tab to move it back up. This simple indenting creates a clean hierarchy, letting you outline ideas, break down projects, or add context without clutter. When a topic deserves its own page, turn it into a link. Type 2 square brackets, add the page name, and close the brackets like this. Double bracket, page name, double bracket. Logseq automatically creates that page for you. Click the link to open it, and now you've built a connection between your daily note and a dedicated space for that topic. You can also tag your notes to group similar items. Type a hashtag followed by a tag name. Tags help you find patterns across days and projects, so you can quickly pull up everything related to a theme, topic, or context. For tasks, type to do, then write your task right after it. Logseq recognizes to do as a task item, and you can click the checkbox when you're done. This makes it easy to capture action items as you think of them right alongside your notes. When you want to format or insert structure without leaving the keyboard, type a / to open /commands. From there, choose options like heading, highlight, table, template, or quote. This helps you format quickly and keep your notes consistent. Finally, review your notes by clicking All Pages. This view shows every page you've created or linked, giving you a big picture view of your knowledge and making it easy to revisit and refine. That's it. Simple, fast, and powerful. Open your graph, capture daily notes, nest ideas, link pages, tag topics, add tasks, and explore with /commands.